Hey everybody, it's Dr. Harry, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about presbyopia. What are you? Okay, let me explain it to you. So basically, you're going along, everything's fine, and then you hit about 40, and then you start thinking, why can't I see that word as well as I used to? And then it goes along at about 50, and before you know it, you're wearing glasses because your arms are just not long enough to be able to read that page anymore. So ultimately, we then start wearing glasses, what we call reading glasses, and we see that in the stores, the different lenses. As we get older, we tend to need greater magnification to be able to see. So what if I told you that on the horizon, there are going to be eye drops that can fix that problem? Would that not be exciting? I don't know about you, but for me personally, like wearing glasses, I'm just really kind of over it. After wearing glasses for a while, I just start getting a headache. It's heavy on my face. I'm not really a big fan of contacts because I have to keep putting them in and out. And so I can see at a distance, but I can't read. So it's really very frustrating. And this is at a time when, we're really starting to find our grooves in our 40s and our 50s and our 60s. We really starting to find our grooves. And what happens is that I found is that it may tend to discourage people from reading as much as they used to because it just becomes so uncomfortable. They end up having a headache and etc., etc. But like I said, good news is that there are drops on the horizon for it. Currently, there seems to be, to my knowledge, two forms of drops that are available. So one drop, what it does is that it makes the pupil smaller so that we're able to see close up, but according to the initial reports with the initial studies, it doesn't seem to affect your far vision. Now, how does that work, that pinpointing the pupil when the drops does? So now, I don't know if any of you have ever seen these, right? So you can find them in the stores. They've got little pinholes in the lenses, if you can see that, little pinholes. And ultimately, if you're having difficulty reading, and it's because usually secondary to the presbyopia, then this looks fantastic, right? This actually helps you to see the words more clearly up close because it pinpoints the light for you. So that's how the first one tends to work, except, you don't have this. The second way that the second set of drops tend to work a little bit differently. And these, they're actually made with a special form of nutrients, alpha lipoic acid and choline, and it's done in a special pharmaceutical way where these drops actually penetrate the lenses and kind of break up the bonds that make the lens really less flexible as we get older. It goes in there and it kind of dissolves that protein that's doing that. And so then the lenses are now able to react like a little bit more like they used to, and that improves your vision. And currently the treatment for that seems to be none of these are FDA approved yet. I believe they're in phase 3 trials per my knowledge currently, but I'm super excited about them. I'm telling you right now, I'm super, super excited, and I'll definitely be trying one of those. So let me know what you think, and if you are having issues with presbyopia or any kind of vision problems, please visit your optometrist, your ophthalmologist. Just get your vision really checked out. Make sure there's nothing else going on with that, because we all want healthy eyes as we get older, because the world has so much to see and take in. Until next time, I'm Dr. Harry. Bye-bye.